behind me. Yeah. There you go. So create a little bit more roll now so that he doesn't go and get it himself. Push, 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 push. There you go. A little bit more. He's not quite paying enough attention. Outside rein, a little bit of leg. Now ride it down the line. Push, push, push. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woohoo! Now it's behind you. Leg and ride it forward so you make his job a little easier. So not quite so short rein. Push, push, push. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Much better. Now lengthen your rein about 2 inches. There you go, and just and then you sit back behind it. Now sit in your saddle. Don't turn in your reins. Good. Look up in front. There, now push.